Moving on to question number 3. If the third digit of an acceptable product code is not 0, which one of the following must be true? All right, so again, we have two possibilities here. And again, we're saying that the third digit is not 0. So again, drawing out two possibilities. Now, in scenario 1, our options for the third spot are 0 and 3. Well, if it's not 0, it's going to be 3. And since the fifth digit must be greater than the third digit, right, or the third digit must be less than the value of the fifth digit, we know that 4 must be fifth. And again, we know 1 and 2 would be 1 and 2, which puts 0 in 4. What about for option 2? Again, in option 2, our options for the third spot are 0 and 1. The stem from question 3 is telling us it's not 0, so it must be 1. Again, we know 2 and 4 now are going to be first and second. And now again, we know that the third digit is less than the value of the fifth digit. The only two digits remaining are 0 and 3, which means 3 has to go fifth and 0 comes fourth. And again, we're looking for what must be true. So let's take a look. A, the second digit of the product code is 2. Well, that's definitely possible in our first scenario. It doesn't have to be true because in scenario 2, the second digit is 4. So A is not necessarily true, and A is out. B, the third digit of the product code is 3. Again, in scenario 1, that's true, but in scenario 2, it's 1. So B doesn't have to be true, and B is out. C, the fourth digit of the product code is 0, and you notice in both of our scenarios here, 0 is the fourth digit, so C must be true, and C would be the correct answer.